the most merciful and beneficent. Honorable ladies and gentlemen, I am proudly joyous and honored to have with us today Mr. Muhammad Iqbal, Additional Director, Establishment, Mr. Fazli Kareem, Director, Regional Directorate, Hazara, Mr. Imran Khan, Deputy Director, Sports, GMC Coordinator, Mansehra, Mr. Riaz Hussain. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude toward the principals of cluster colleges of GMC Haripur, GMC Mansehra, and GMC Ahmedabad, all the HPEs, and our most bright, brilliant, and talented students from different colleges of Hazara zone. It is both an honor and pleasure to stand before you today at the closing ceremony of 14th Annual DHE Zonal Sports Tournament of Hazara Zone. At this momentous occasion, I am extremely delighted to announce that 2025 is a year of golden jubilee for Government Girls Degree College Number 1 Mansehra. It is a great honor to have 50 years of dedication to education and shaping of future generation. This milestone reflects collective efforts of countless individuals who have contributed to the institution's success both in curricular and extracurricular activities. Sports are an integral part of education. They shape character, they build confidence, and promote healthy competitive spirit. I am proud to say that various institutions of Hazara Zone remain dedicated to nurturing not only academic excellence but also physical and mental well-being. It is indeed a proud moment as I present brief report of 14th Zonal DHE Sports Tournament 2024-25. The initial meeting for the selection of President College for 14th Zonal Sports Tournament was held in September 24 in GPGC for Women Haripur, where Government Girls Degree College Mansehra was honored with the presidentship of for the year 2024-25. The event commenced with a meeting of a technical staff of Hazara Zone where the schedule of sports were finalized. This meeting features multiple events categorized into athletic and field games. In total, there were 13 events that were organized in 3 different phases, namely Haripur Gala, Ahmedabad Gala, and one event was organized by Government Girls Degree College Chitidheri, Mansehra. Total 60 participants from 21 different colleges participated in these games. Starting with Haripur Gala, on 21st October 2024, the entire tournament displayed tremendous energy and enthusiasm, finally reached its culmination on 11th November in Ahmedabad, Gala. Overall position of points and grading remains as follows. GPGC for Women Haripur secured top position by grabbing 52 points, first in grading, first in cricket, football, hockey, netball, handball, basketball, second in table tennis, volleyball, and third in throw ball. GPGC Saisala got 27 points, second in grading, first in throw ball, second in hockey, netball, basketball, handball, football, and third in football. Then comes GPGC KTS Haripur with 14 points, third in grading, and second in football and cricket. GGDC Chitigeri Mansehra with 13 points, fourth in grading, first in volleyball, football, and second in throwball. GBGC number 1 Ahmedabad 11 points, fifth in grading, first in badminton and table tennis, third in tug of war. GBGC Nashad got 7 points, sixth in grading, second in badminton and tug of war, and third in football. Then comes GGDC number 2 Haripur. Got 5 points, seventh in grading, got third positions in hockey, netball, and handball. GGDC Malipura got 5 points, seventh in grading, first in tug of war. GGDC Manjna Ahmedabad got 3 points, eighth in grading, and third in cricket. GPGC for women Ahmedabad got 2 points, ninth in grading, and third in volleyball and badminton. GPGC Port Najibullah first got 1 point, 10th in grading, and third in basketball. GPGC Kalandrabad got 1 point, third in grading, and third in tennis ball. The grounds of GPGC for women Haripur witnessed the grand display of zeal and energy in athletic competitions. In discus throw, Alishfa Khan of GPGC for women Haripur got first position. Fiza Zahir of the same college got second position, and Amma from GGDC Saisala got third position. In the matches of javelin throw, Alishfa Khan of GPGC for women Haripur got first position. Sarah from GGDC Saisala got second position, and Ariva from GGDC Kalandrabad got third position. In short put competitions, Alishfa Khan of GPGC for women Haripur got first position. Hira from GGDC Kanpur got second position, and Tajriyar from GGDC Saisala got third position. In long jump competitions, Fiza Zahir from GPGC Haripur got first position, Alishfa from the same college got second position, and Alina from GGDC Ghazi got third position. In 100-meter race, Fiza Zahir from GPGC for women Haripur got first position, Alishfa Khan from the same college got second position, and Samra from GGDC Kalandrabad got third position. In 200-meter race, Fiza Zahir from GPGC for women Haripur remained first, whereas Alishfa Khan from GPGC for women Haripur got second position. Guljabeen from GTDC number 1 Mansehra got third position, and Sabra from GTDC Hyderabad got third position. With her outstanding performance, Alishfa Khan of GPGC for women Haripur declared to be the best athlete for the year 2024-25. The annual sports tournament of Hazara Zone was a grand success, fostering a spirit of discipline and sportsmanship among students. The enthusiasm and participation demonstrated the importance of sports in academic institutions. The entire event would not have been possible without tireless efforts of our organizing committees, the unwavering support of our faculty members, and enthusiastic participation of our students. As we bring this event to close, let it not be the end but a new beginning to carry forward the lessons learned, the bonds formed, and the goals set. In the end, I am once again thankful to our worthy directors, Dancy coordinator, and honorable guests for sparing their precious hours for us. My special thanks to our Deputy Director of Sports, Mr. Mohammed Imran Khan, for his tireless efforts in organizing and mentoring entire sport activities in all the 8 zones. Thank you all, and may we continue to grow stronger in mind, in body, and in spirit. Thank you all. Thank you very much.